it's Jack with Hendrick Toyota North Charleston, and I'm here with my colleague and best friend, Justin Smith, who is going to teach me how to do an oil change today for my very first time. Are you so excited? It's stuck on my face. Get off my face. Hold on. Are you so excited?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, we're going to have fun anyways.
You want to start with the whole process?
Well,
Or do you just want to change the oil?
I found it.
And just tighten it so you can see if you can open it.
I got that.
Okay, good. A little bit straight.
It's in there, right there on top.
What's up, guys? It's Jackie here with Toyota, and today we're going to learn how to change oil and...
My name's Jack. It's on my name tag.
Out first so we can drain the oil.
Are you sure that's the drain plug?
Yes.
Okay. And what?
It's going to come out of the engine.
Oh. Okay. And then one. Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay, so we're going to use this as the 14.
And you know it's the 14 because it says 14.
Yes.
Oh my God. I only got one pair of gloves, Justin. When's it gonna stop? Can I throw this away?
No, that's the drain plug. You got to put it back in.
Can I take a break now?
No.
Oh. So we just... I asked David Packard how many pair of gloves I needed, and he said if you do it right, only one pair. So I got only one pair, and I already need another pair of gloves. I can't touch anything.
So you take it and pop off the old drain plug gasket.
Yeah, easier said than done.
It's not that hard.
It's pretty difficult. It's my first time. I think it's already off.
No.
Oh. It feels off.
Well, it's just on there.
What are you doing? This isn't working. I feel like you gave me the wrong tool for this. Oh, I did it.
There
I was
you
just
go.
kidding. All right, so
Good job.
all of that was the bad oil, right?
Yes.
And so what do we do with this? Do we throw it in the ocean?
No.
Oh,
We dispose of it.
in the ocean
No.
without telling it.
No.
Okay.
Definitely not. And then we're going to put it on a ratchet.
What's it called?
Oil filter cup.
Oh, like that?
Yes. And then you can put it on. There you go. Same thing. Lefty, loosey. Nope. Flip this little dial right here so you can go the other way.
What?
Right? Just like this. Just like that.
Oh. Well, why didn't you say that? I feel like there's an easier way to do this.
Nope.
So, just I have a question. One time, my neighbor, he changed my oil for $450. Do you think that was a good deal?
Yes.
Did you get him to change your blanket fluids in
Oh.
Jackie? I don't know.
There you go. So that's
Okay,
the
and
old
then you
filter.
just put this in the dishwasher.
No. We dispose
Well,
of
how do
that
you-
too.
But what if I didn't have one to replace it with? I could just put it in the dishwasher.
If you want to.
I feel like I have a really great attitude.
You do.
This is the hardest part so far.
Just a bag. All right, so in this situation, as I would, since you have oil on your gloves, since you're doing it messy, put a little bit on the O-ring.
From my fingers,
Yes, so it's lubed. And then it,
that bottom one. Right? Like this. I feel like I did it good.
negative.
Oh.
So you want to ring this sit in this little other way.
This is difficult. I don't understand how this works.
You have to flip the lever.
Oh yeah, the lever.
There you go.
This is how y'all get y'all's arms so strong, ain't it? It
Yes.
stopped.
And then you're good. Everything's clear from underneath the car before you lower it.
There's nothing there.
Okay. Roll it down. There you go.
Anna, this is really hard. Y'all do this every day?
Yes.
Okay. And what kind of oil can I put into my car to make it go faster?
Tell me what I said. Please. Okay.
Drop a beat, Justin. Or not? It's fine. This is a whole vibe. I see why y'all listen to music while you do this, you know? Young Money, serving the big shot. You know that one?
No.
I'm scared.
Keep going. A little bit more.
It's like doing gas.
Yep.
I did
There
it.
you go. Alright. So then we'll take this. We're gonna wipe it off.
Yeah, I know how to do this part. I have it, Dad.
I'm just checking.
You're my best friend.
All cap on. And tighten it.
Does it go here?
No. It was right here.
Are you sure?
100%.
Would you hire me in your shop, Justin?
We will have to see.
Thanks.
Maybe one day.
I appreciate you taking the time.